Alright, so this is question 9. So question 9 is testing us on our circles, right? Equation of circles. Okay, so first thing first, we're given the equation. So this is what we call the general form of the equation of circle, and we are given that the radius is equal to 5, and we are required to find what is the value of k. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, so first thing first, whenever we see such a form like this, we must always make it into something like this. So it's equal to x minus a bracket square, and after that plus y minus b bracket square equal to r square. So this form is easier to see because by looking at this form, I will know two important information, which is the center of circle. A and B is the coordinate of the center of circle and the radius of the circle right here. Okay, of course, how do I go from this form to this form? So this one is where we need to complete our square already. Okay, so now let's complete the square. So first thing first, I put all the x together. So x squared plus 2kx. Then after that, the y you put together plus y squared minus 4y equal to positive 17. Okay, after that, you need to complete the square for both your x and your y. This one is a bit of e-maths also. Okay, before you complete any square, you must ensure one thing is that your coefficient of x squared is 1. Okay, so after determining this, you complete the square. So of course, I put down here x squared plus 2kx. Then after that, I put 2 boxes. Okay, so of course you might have your own way of completing the square. So this is just my way of doing lah. Okay, then after that, I continue to complete for our y square. So y square minus 4y, and put 2 boxes. Okay, minus the same box. Of course, there's a square equal to 17. Okay, so let me just bring your attention to the 2 red color boxes right here. Okay, so what I should put inside the red color box is actually the number, the second term. You'll notice there's a second term, right? And the second term, the coefficient of x, right, is 2k. So you just put 2k inside, then you always divide by 2. Then you do likewise for the second red color box, 2k, you divide by 2. Okay, so this is how we complete the square. Alright, then after that, I do it for the purple box. Okay, so purple box, there's a negative 4 here, right? So you use negative 4, you divide by 2. Right? Then the fourth box, do it the same. Okay, because I want to add something, right? I must minus off the same thing. Because I'm not changing the equation. Alright, so it's very important. Right? Okay, so next, x squared plus 2kx. Then the first red color box right here, right, is 2k divided by 2, which is k. Then after that, k square. Okay. Then after that, you put a bracket first. So there's the second box right here. So you just put minus, because minus is outside. Then the inside the box is 2k divided by 2, right, is k. Then after that, k square, you will just put k square right here. Okay, next thing I want to do is for the y. So there's a plus y square, right? So maybe I just put a bracket first. Y square minus 4y. So the third box right here is minus 4 divided by 2, negative 2. So negative 2, you whole thing bracket square, right? You'll get plus 4. Okay, so when your negative is inside this square, then the whole thing will become positive. Then you put a bracket. Now there's a fourth box, right? Fourth box, you just put a minus here first. So negative 4 divided by 2, negative 2. Negative 2 whole thing square, you will get positive 4. Okay, so it's a minus 4 equal to positive 17. So of course, because you want to find the value of k, right? And they say that, hey, my value of k is roughly my radius is 5. So how do I know the radius from this equation? Very simple. First thing first, this you move it to the right hand side. So when you move everything to the right hand side, you'll get something here. Okay, so this one I believe later we need to factorize. Plus k square bracket plus y square minus 4y plus 4. So when you move the minus k square and minus 4 to the right hand side, you get 17 plus 4 plus k square. So the right hand side will tell me, so the right hand side, the value of the right hand side is actually r square. Okay, so this is equal to 21 plus k square. Okay, so this looks like the form, the so-called this completed square form, right? The second equation right here. Okay, remember the right hand side is always r square, and since they tell us that radius is 5, right? So r square is just 5 square, 25. So you compare with this, you compare with this. This one I haven't factorized yet. So but the crucial thing is about this one, the right hand side. So 21 plus k square is equal to r square. And just like r we know already, right? So 5 square. So 5 square is 25. Then you solve for k. So k square is equal to 25 minus 21 is 4. So k is just equal to square root 4, right? So you should put plus or minus 2. Okay, so it depends. Yeah, so for this question, let me double check whether is it. Okay, so they say that k is a positive constant, so you must reject the negative counterpart. So the value of this is just positive 2. Alright, so that is for question